What's up guys, we're back with some super exciting Google Pixel 6 news. Google is grilling the Pixel 6 series to perfection with the final topping of good pricing. Yes, that's right, for the first time the pricing info for the Pixel 6 family is leaked. Specs wise, Google is going all out with their flagship phones in order to compete with the best of Samsung and the best of Apple. They just have to get one thing right, and that is the pricing. And surprise, surprise, the pricing is actually pretty good. According to the leak info, the Pixel 6 could start at just $699, whereas the Pixel 6 Pro could start at $999. Now looking at these numbers, the $1,000 price point was something that was expected for the Pixel 6 Pro, but the Pixel 6, damn, that is actually very surprising. At $699, the Pixel 6 beats out the 60Hz iPhone 13, which is coming at $799. So while being cheaper, the Pixel 6 offers a 90Hz refresh rate compared to the 60Hz that you get on the iPhone 13. It also has a lot bigger 4600 mAh battery and the same main 50 megapixel as well as the ultra wide angle lens from the Pixel 6 Pro. And that's some sweet phone deal for the money. Let me know what you think about the pricing in the comment section below. In my opinion, Google is making the right move. Also in the news, we've got a brand new, and I mean a brand new Google patent that shows off their Pixel tablet. According to this official Google patent via Let's Go Digital, it seems like they're working on a tablet that is going to compete with the upcoming Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and the iPad Pro. It's got a very interesting rounded side design with a full-on bezel-less display. Based on this patent, this tablet actually looks so damn good when it comes to the real-life illustration. We've got a plate on the back that's most likely going to be for the Google logo. There's no info on specs or screen size, but you can probably imagine that it's going to be a pretty large tablet. Now last but certainly not the least, we have a huge camera leak regarding the Pixel 6 Pro from XDA. So first feature mentioned in the build is the wide angle front camera. According to this, you will be able to switch to a wider field of view when using the front camera. This is a similar feature that we see on Samsung and Apple, where you have this dedicated key to switch to a more of an ultra wide front camera experience. Next up, we have the video recording. Apparently the Pixel 6 Pro will support 4K 60fps video from the main camera only. You won't be able to record it through ultra wide or the telephoto lens. For those lenses, the video recording will be limited to 4K 30fps only. As far as the maximum zoom level when recording videos, at 4K 60fps, Pixel 6 Pro will offer 7 times zoom, while at 4K/1080p 30fps, the zoom will go all the way up to 20 times. Moving on, we have an object remover, or as Google says, magic eraser feature. This feature, as the name suggests, will allow you to remove objects in your images while editing in the post. Next feature mentioned is called front torch, which is obviously a reference to the front camera flash setup. As we know, there is no physical front-facing LED light on Pixel 6 family, so this is very likely a front display brightness feature to light up your scene. There's also something called NEMA aesthetic, which is said to be a similar feature to Samsung single take. And then something we have already discussed, a mode dedicated to babies, is called as baby mode. It's pretty obvious. Moving on, we have frequent faces feature, where the camera will start to remember your face as you'll take more photos. Lastly, there's a mention of a feature called portrait spotlight, which has something to do with the portrait mode. And finally, just another additional information, the Pixel 7 code name was mentioned in one of these software codes. The code line specifically says Pixel 2022 is Pixel Pipit. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but Pipit is said to be the code name for the Pixel flagship, which is obviously going to be Pixel 7 coming next year. So that's all the latest news. The Pixel 6 family is rocking quite a lot of features camera wise, and of course, why not, because this is the biggest camera upgrade we have seen on any Pixel device since the original Pixel. Let me know what you think about everything, especially the pricing. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.